I've seen a lot of designs for these dust collection arms. Mine's the best. It's cheap, it's easy, and I've got free plans. The video shows you everything. And at the end, I'll give you a rundown of all the parts and what they cost. This is my old dust extractor, and currently it can only fit the planer. I'm going to make PVC adapters so the hoses can fit both tools and also be extendable. This glue is actually a solvent that dissolves PVC for a permanent watertight joint. It's got a very potent odour. I'm forcing this pipe into the hole at an angle for a tight fit. Also, that will make a more efficient angle for the airflow. Cutting this in the miter saw is dangerous, so I wouldn't do it. I was holding it really tight so it wouldn't catch. It's safer to use the hand saw instead. You've heard the saying, do as I say, don't do as I do. This is a 90mm PVC coupling, the part that joins two pipes together, and I'm using it as the female part of the joint. Now I'm making the male part of the connector. Remember I said the smell is really potent? Well, it also cures really quick, so I'm sure this is a combination of rushing and being overcome with fumes. That's my excuse. Take two. It's a mess. And take three. This is a test cut with the hoses connected without the overhead arm, and it works great. The Wood Whisperer made his own dust arm recently also, but ironically he made his out of metal. He also connected a second vacuum to the blade guard instead of using an air splitter. I'll link his video in the description. I use scrap plywood sheeting, and you can paint yours if you want. I thought the black would match the colour scheme of the saw, and I think it looks cool. Obviously you're going to need PVC cement and silicone to glue it all together. This pipe's optional, and I'm not going to include those items in the cost breakdown. This is the critical part. And if you want to buy this piece of plastic from SawStop, you're paying $126. Go figure. This little thing is sold as 25mm, but the outer diameter is 39.4, which is just under 1.5 inch and perfect. Two 90mm couplings, $7.20. One 25mm coupling, $2. 4 meters by 45mm hose, $35. Two 1.5 inch hose connectors, $25. That's $70 compared to $440. The money saved, I can buy 2 good quality blades and a brake cartridge. You can't laugh at that. And as you can see, you can't really use a saw without it. Oh, quickly, if you're still here, click down there. It's a video on my channel that YouTube recommends for you. And if you like my channel, click over there and subscribe. It's free. Bye.